Hi boys and girls, we're ready for another OG lesson. We're going to review some of our words with some suffixes and endings that we know. I see our silent E that makes the A say A. So here we go. You read them with me or echo me. Plate, make, last, felt. Here's our suffix, our base word, fixing. Our suffix covered up, chop it. Bench, es, benches. Cover up our suffix. Our base word, land, ed. Cover up our suffix. Sending. And our silent E, plate. Let's go back and practice these again so we sound a little bit smoother. Pay attention if there's that silent E that makes the A say A. Plate, make, last, felt, fixing, benches, landed, sending, plate. Can you read these again if you have lost a tooth this year in first grade? Read them loud. Plate, make, last, felt, fixing, benches, landed, sending, plate. Can you read these again if you are 7 years old? Here we go. Plate, make, last, felt, fixing, benches, landed, sending, plate. How about read these words one more time if you are 6 years old or 8 years old? Be loud. Plate, make, last, felt, fixing, benches, landed, sending, plate. All right. Ooh, it looks like I wrote plate twice, doesn't it? Oh my. Let's see. Yep. You know why? Because I copied what was on my list. We have that word twice. Oh well. Here we go. I'm thinking of a word and it's the opposite, the antonym of first. If you're not first in line, you are last. I'm thinking of a word and it means it's if you're making something better. Maybe it was broke and now you are doing it right. Now you are fixing it. I'm thinking of a word that is a synonym to dish that you eat off of. Plate, right. I'm thinking of a word and it means more than one and you sit on them. It's benches, right. Okay, this time I want you to shout out the word before I exit out. Here we go. Landed, fixing, make, plate, felt, benches, sending, last, plate again. All right, we learned yesterday about the long I sound. I, consonant E says I, and our keyword is bike. So we already knew about the A consonant E, like in cake. Now we have the I consonant E as in bike. We're going to practice some long I words with our silent E. Here we go. You read them with me or echo me. Lime, dime, time, kite, bite, white, ripe, wipe, stripe. So our E is hopping over one consonant to make the I say I. Our E is silent. We don't hear it, but it's got a job to do. Hop over just one consonant to make the I say I. Let's read these again. Read them if you like the holiday of Valentine's Day. Read them loud. Lime, dime, time, kite, bite, white, ripe, wipe, stripe. So it's our long I that says I. Can you read these again if you have your Valentines ready to send out? Here we go. Lime, dime, time, kite, bite, white, ripe, wipe, stripe. Ooh, I hear and see some rhyming words. Remember, a rhyming word has to have the same vowel and the same consonant, the same letters after it. They all have the same vowel. We got to look at the consonant. Do you see them? Do you see the rhyming words? Here we go. Lime, dime, time. They're in the I'm family. How about kite, bite, white? They're in the ite family. And ripe, wipe, stripe. They're in the ipe family. Let's play a little game. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a color word. White. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a noun. It's a thing that flies in the sky with a long string. Kite. I'm thinking of a word, and it's when fruit or vegetables are ready to be eaten. When they're ready to be eaten, they are ripe. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a coin. It's money, and it's worth 10 cents. Do you know that? It's a dime. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a fruit. It's green. You like some people use it in cooking. It's a lime, right? Okay, I'm going to X the word out. You shout it out. Ripe, kite, dime, stripe, bite, white, time, lime. One more. Wipe. I almost missed it. All right, let's get our paper. Put our date on it. Get ready for our sounds. Here we go. Write me the lowercase letter that says it's a suffix, and it says or z, and it means more than one, like cats or dogs. It's the S. Write me the lowercase letter that says ul, as in hill, at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. Ul is spelled LL. It's got to be after a short vowel. Write me the lowercase letters, and it's a suffix, comes at the end, and it means right now, and it says ing. Remember what that is? I-N-G says ing. It means right now we are like writing, listening. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in catch, at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. Ch is spelled T-C-H. Write me the lowercase letters that say is, and it's a suffix. It means more than one, like foxes or boxes. And we say when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z, add ES, and you'll please me, right? Write me the lowercase letters that say K, as in duck, at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled CK. Write me the lowercase letters that say A. How do we get that A sound? A, consonant E says A. Our E hops over one consonant to make the A say A. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in chair. It's a CH. Write me the lowercase letters that say sh, as in ship. SH. Right. Write me the lowercase letter that says E, as in funny. In a two-syllable word, Y says E. Write me the lowercase letters that's a suffix. It means in the past, and it has three sounds, ed, d, or t. It already happened. It happened in the past. That's an ED. Write me the lowercase letters that say j, as in bridge. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, j is spelled DGE. All right, let's get ready to do our words. Our first word, get your tapping hand out if you need it, is the word make. Ready? Ache. Ooh, remember how we get that A sound? It's an A consonant E, and it's just a K. It's not a CK. CK only comes in a short vowel, and the E has to hop over one consonant, not two. Make. M-A-K-E. Our next word is same. Ready? Same. I hear three sounds, but it's four letters. Aim. What do we need at the end to make the A say A? A silent E. S-A-M-E. Our next word has a base word first. The word is fetch. Ready? Fetch. Now remember, etch. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. We're going to add to it, fetching. My dog is fetching the ball right now. He's doing it right now. We need that suffix ing. Fetching. Our last one, the base word is stick. Ready? Stick. All right. So 4 sounds. St, ick. 4 sounds. St, ick. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, k is spelled CK. Now, that's our base word, but what if I have lots of sticks? I need our suffix. That is more than one. Sticks. It's our S. Let's go back and read these together. Make, same, fetching, sticks. All right, at our diamond, we're working on that. I, consonant E says I. We get that because our E hops over one consonant, makes the I say I. I, consonant E says I. I, consonant E says I. All right, let's flip our paper over so we can do some long I words. Here we go. Our first word is time. Ready? Time. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Time. What do we need on the end to make the I say I? Silent E. T-I-M-E. Time. Our next word is kite. Kite. Now think about it. What kind of k? I hear the I. The I is a stick vowel. Remember, the K goes with the stick vowels. I, kite. What do we need on the end to make the I say I? Our silent E. K-I-T-E. Our next word is the color word white. Ready? White. Now, this isn't a question word, but it starts with a W-H. Wh, like in whistle. Just have to remember it. White. And our silent E makes the I say I, white. W-H-I-T-E. Our last word is wipe. Ready? Wipe. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Just a W like in wagon. I. What do we need on the end? A magic E that makes the I say I, hops over 1 consonant. Let's go back and read these together. Time, kite, white, wipe. All right, we have a brand new memory word today. You know it. T-W-O. It's a number word. I'm hiding my clue. The number word is 2. I want you to know it without the clue, but if we need it, it's there. T-W-O says 2. It is a rule breaker because T-W we usually say it says tw. This does not say that. T-W-O says 2. I would like 2 pieces of pizza. Let's skywrite. Look at it. You got to get it in your brain. Here we go. T-W-O says 2. T-W-O says 2. T-W-O says 2. T-W-O says 2. Let's say it as we write it. T-W-O says 2. T-W-O says 2. T-W-O says 2. T-W-O says 2. Let's look at it again. Let's skywrite with me. Here we go. T-W-O says 2. Can you close your eyes and try it? T-W-O says 2. Can you do it without looking? Check it. T-W-O says 2. Now, do you remember how to spell that word look? Can you spell it without looking at it? We want you to remember it. L-O-O-K says look. Do you remember how to spell the word has? I bet you can. But let's check it. H-A-S says has. So we have to, look, and has. Let's get our paper ready for our sentence. Capital, the order, the punctuation, and the spelling. Let's listen to my voice to see what we're going to have. Is it a telling sentence, an asking sentence, or a sentence with expression? Here it is. I will stand in line. Let's count. I will stand in line. 5 words. Remember, we start at the left. Start with a capital I. I by itself is always uppercase. I will. Remember how to spell will? Do you need to tap it out? I hear a ul at the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel. Ul is spelled L-L. I will stand. Let's tap it out. St. And 5 sounds, 5 letters. St. And then it's got the word chunk of and. And. I hear that ending blend. See the word and inside of stand? I will stand in line. Ooh, I hear that I. How do we get that? Line. What do we need on the end to make the I say I? A silent E. Hops over, makes the I say I. Line. Now I'm telling you, I will stand in line. I'm telling you, it's a telling sentence, so we need just a period. Let's count. I will stand in line. 5 words. Did you get it? Remember, to get our spelling, we have to tap out. So if you needed to tap out line, line. And you gotta remember your silent E makes the I say I. Good job today, boys and girls.